Hi there, students. To enervate, and a verb, enervated, an adjective. Okay, if somebody is enervated, they feel weak, they feel without energy. So, yeah, giving class all day to 10-year-old kids or 11-year-old kids can be very enervating, can leave you completely enervated at the end of the day, to make you feel weak, to knacker you, to leave you without energy, to deprive of vitality and energy. Yeah, constant worry will enervate you. Yeah, it will weaken your strength. I think luxury is something that is in the process of enervating Western society. Let's see, literally enervate in medicine means to take out the nerve. So the dentist could enervate your tooth, take out the nerve, but that's very technical. Yeah. Um, we use this as well, this verb to enervate, meaning to reduce the morality, the thought processes of something. So normally revolutions, when a revolution is successful, then everyone has the highest moral principles and they're going to follow these principles. But as time goes on, this purity becomes enervated, and corruption and rot starts to set in. And this is the idea of to enervate, to debilitate, to weaken, to make feeble. Okay, so to enervate. For example, yeah, work in a job that you don't really enjoy is a very enervating process. Yeah. Let's see. Sometimes people use this verb enervate with the meaning of to excite, to invigorate, but it's not right. Okay, so you look enervated, you look excited, you look, no, don't use it like that. Enervated means tired, knackered. Yeah, enervated after a hard day's work. Enervated looking after the kids all day. Yeah, bringing up kids is a very enervating process. It's something that will leave you completely enervated. Yes, I guess drugs and alcohol enervate your body. They remove your mental acuity, your mental sharpness, and your moral vigor, your moral strength. Yeah, you would do anything to get your drink or to get your hit of drugs, and it reduces your moral values. Okay, so the steady enervation of society, yeah, the reduction of its strength and its moral goodness. So to enervate, to dampen, to deaden, to castrate, to lobotomize, to devitalize. Yeah, it's the opposite of to energize. Okay, to emasculate. Okay, so yeah, a lifetime working in a dreary job will enervate your soul. He was completely enervated having had COVID, and it took him weeks to recover afterwards. Okay, so to enervate, to deprive of strength, of vitality, to weaken mentally or physically or morally. Okay, so physically, mentally, and morally. It can be any or all of those things. So the enervation of society, yeah, It's being deprived of its strength. Okay, so formality. This is a rather formal, rather literary word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5, maybe even a 7 in formality. Informally, to weaken. Yeah, don't use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, just about. Much better for a semi-formal or formal writing. And then, as to origin, well, this comes from Latin, enervare, to weaken. Yeah, from out, and or X, and nervous, the sinews, the muscles. Okay, so enervare, to weaken by the loss of muscles. Yeah, and that's the idea. So to enervate, to tire, to make tired. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Enervate.